It's Hyah Slyce, the fire slice, hey Chinny. This girl, this girl, her past relation not working. That's why she's seeking and searching for new love. Girl, let me be the one, girl, to keep you satisfied. Let me be the one, girl, to wipe the teardrops from your eyes. I know you're tired of your past relation, girl, because I'm gonna make you feel terrified. I know you're tired of your past relation, girl, because I'm gonna make you feel petrified. Rise up with me, cause it's a new day. I'll take your heartaches and pain away. Listen at what friends and people say. Girl, I never wanna see you stay. I know you feel hurting oftentimes, but you don't deserve it cause you're so divine. I would rather be left up like Butcher Banton if loving you, girl, was a crime. Let me be the one, girl, to keep you satisfied. Let me be the one, girl, to wipe the teardrops from your eyes. I know you're tired of your past relation, girl, because I'm only make you feel terrified. I know you're tired of your past relation, girl, because I'm only make you feel petrified. Now she's in mom, she says she feel much better. Give her my love because she me prefer. When I'm on touch right, countless of love letter. To see her go, I won't let her. How could you refuse a love like this? I'm a natural empress, so African tea. Give her my love, she give me the warmness. Service me daily, so I'm half upon my face. Let me be the one, girl, to keep you satisfied. Let me be the one, girl, to wipe the teardrops from your eyes. I know you're tired of your past relation, girl, because I'm only make you feel terrified. I know you're tired of your past relation, girl, because I'm only make you feel petrified. Her past relation not working, that's why she's seeking and searching for a new love. She said her heart had been broken, now her arms are open to receive love. But let me be the one. It's Hyah Slyce, the fire feel satisfied. Let me be the one,
Even a JJ ever frost keep the fire blazing inside them side.